Hello, I'm Esme and today we're going to be visiting the rainforest and see how we can help it and all the facts about it. Did you know that 10% of our world's animals lives in the rainforest? Just like these cuties. Oh, they're adorable. Oh, that's so cute. I told you not to sit on my head. They're adorable. There are 4 layers of the rainforest. Let's see what they are. The canopy, the understory, the forest floor, and the emergent layer. In all different 4 layers, there's different species in the different layers. On the forest floor, there is lots of bugs and spiders. Did you know that lion isn't actually the king of the jungle? It's actually the tiger. Did you know that most of our oxygen comes from the rainforest, like I've turned into? As you know, that the rainforest might be endangered. Please save our rainforest and my elephant friends.